In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to regenerate your secret key in 1Password. Replacing your secret key is a crucial step if you suspect that your account security may have been compromised. It's important to keep this secret key safe and up to date to protect your valuable information. Let's go through the process step by step to ensure everything is clear and straightforward. First, you'll need to navigate to the 1Password dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for 1Password's homepage. Once there, go ahead and log into your account to access the dashboard. You'll see a layout of all your vaults and the settings that keep your online activities secure. Familiarizing yourself with this interface will help you manage your account more efficiently. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where your profile picture or initials are displayed. By clicking on that area, you'll reveal a drop-down menu. This is where you can find various options related to your account management. In this menu, choose the option labeled Manage Account. Clicking here takes you to a page with all of your account settings. This section is essentially the nerve center for your account, where you can make adjustments, including regenerating your secret key. Next, you'll see an option that says Regenerate Secret Key. By selecting this option, you're moving toward creating a brand new key, which will soon replace the existing one. When prompted, enter your password as a necessary authentication step. This extra layer of security ensures that the action is being initiated by you. It's a good reminder to use a strong, unique password, something you should already have since you're using 1Password. Upon successfully entering your password, you'll follow the prompt to proceed. This step initiates the creation of your new secret key. Remember, this key is a critical element in protecting your account, so handle it with vigilance. Once the system has generated the new key, you'll see an option to download it. Click Download to save it securely. Make sure you have a safe digital or physical location to store this file, such as a secure external drive or a printout kept in a secure place. These steps are vital because if you lose this, you might lose access to your 1Password account. Finally, acknowledge the success of this process by clicking Got It. This action wraps up the regeneration process, confirming that your account is now equipped with a new secret key. And there you have it. You've successfully regenerated your secret key in 1Password. It's a fairly simple process, but tremendously significant for maintaining your security. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep your digital life safe.